Welcome, health-conscious viewer. In today's discussion, we're venturing into the world of whey protein powder blends, with a special focus on isolates. While this supplement has its benefits, there's a hidden side to it that you need to know. Before we dive into the unknown facts, nutritional values, and the potential health risks, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for essential health insights. Let's uncover the truth. Unknown facts. Protein overload. Excessive protein intake, often associated with protein supplements, can strain the kidneys and lead to kidney issues. Digestive distress. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, including bloating and gas, when consuming whey protein. Quality matters. Not all whey protein supplements are created equal. Low-quality products may contain contaminants and impurities. Nutritional values. High-quality protein. Whey protein blends with isolates are rich in complete protein, containing all essential amino acids. Low fat and carbs. They are typically low in fat and carbohydrates, making them suitable for those on a weight loss journey. Rich in BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, in whey protein promote muscle growth and recovery. Additional nutrients. Some products may include added vitamins and minerals to enhance nutritional value. Pros. Muscle preservation. It aids in maintaining lean muscle mass, which can be especially valuable during weight loss. Post-workout recovery. The quick absorption of isolate-rich blends is ideal for muscle repair and growth. Convenient protein source. It's a convenient way to increase protein intake, which is vital for various bodily functions. Cons. Kidney strain. Excessive protein intake can strain the kidneys and may lead to kidney issues. Digestive sensitivity. Some people may experience digestive discomfort when consuming whey protein. Quality concerns. Low-quality products can contain impurities and contaminants, compromising your health. If you prefer to avoid commercial protein powder or want natural alternatives for weight loss and weight management, you can opt for whole foods that are rich in protein. Here are some healthy alternatives to protein powder. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and can be used as a base for smoothies or enjoyed with fruits and nuts. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is low in fat and high in protein, making it a versatile addition to salads, snacks, or as a dip. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and can be prepared in various ways, such as scrambled, boiled, or poached. Tofu. Tofu is a plant-based protein source that can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. It's particularly popular in vegetarian and vegan diets. Lean meats. Skinless chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef or pork are excellent sources of high-quality protein. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are not only protein-rich but also provide healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Beans and legumes. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans are rich in protein and fiber, making them filling and nutritious. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein source and can be used as a base for salads, side dishes, or even breakfast bowls. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, peanuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are good sources of protein and healthy fats. They can be sprinkled on various dishes or used in smoothies. Dairy milk. Regular dairy milk contains protein, and milk alternatives like almond milk and soy milk often have added protein as well. Edamame. These young soybeans are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and can be enjoyed as a snack or added to salads and stir-fries. Mushrooms. While not high in protein, mushrooms can be a good addition to vegetarian and vegan diets for their umami flavor. Seitan, known as wheat meat. Seitan is a high-protein meat substitute often used in vegetarian and vegan dishes. Chia pudding. Chia seeds soaked in milk or yogurt create a protein-rich and filling pudding-like snack or breakfast. Spirulina. This blue-green algae is a protein-packed superfood often found in powder or tablet form. It can be added to smoothies or taken as a supplement. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the hidden truths about whey protein. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more enlightening health insights.